Do you think Nifty can move to 16,800 to 16,900 next week? Or do you think that it should fall back to 16,500 or to 16,300 again? What should be the next move of Nifty and how we can trade that next move in Nifty and Bank Nifty? So as always, with the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, I am back. Hello, and I'm Kirti Agrawal, and I will be presenting the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis in front of you. I'm on a mission to train 1 lakh traders across the globe, the price action system, so that they can become an independent trader. Yes, so we'll talk about the formations which are happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. और उसके साथ ही हम कुछ छोटी छोटी बारीकियों की भी बात करेंगे कि किस तरीके से हम निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी को ट्रेड करें. एंड ओनली trading Nifty and Bank Nifty is an outcome of your entire knowledge. So for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is very important that you understand the complete market structure because it's a matter of choice. Yes, I always tell to my students, हमेशा आप अपना script selection कीजिए, right? Script selection doesn't mean you should be using scanner to scan your scripts or and all that. Selection means you make a decision and you trade only 1 to 2 scripts at least for next 90 days. Yes, so for next 3 months at least you should be sticking to a max of 2 scripts. Like in my case, I only trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can choose yours, maybe State Bank or Reliance, yeah, maybe HDFC Twins. Maybe if you are a commodity trader, you can take gold and silver, crude or NG, whatever you want, but stick to any two. This is the first mantra of being successful trader. Why I'm making profits consistently is because my energy, my observation, my analysis, although I look at everything, I look at the news, I look at the global, I look at the domestic, yes, every single thing, but I am only focused on Nifty and Bank Nifty after watching all. Yes, so that's how a trader's journey should be. And with these things, yes, let's do the analysis for the next week. और हमने देखा कि अभी नया मंथ शुरू हुआ सितंबर का, तो सितंबर मंथ में चार्ट में क्या फॉर्मेशंस है. अगस्त was a remarkable month, yes, from the expiry perspective, क्योंकि अक्टूबर वाज अ मंथ जब निफ्टी ने बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स को क्रॉस किया 16,000 को, and it went to 16,700, and that was something which blown everyone's mind, yes, but not ours, because we were predicting this since long, and we all made money together, yes, right? So let's look at the chart. और हमेशा की तरह हम अपना एनालिसिस 5 स्टेप्स में करेंगे. We'll start with the psychology, chart analysis, global commodity analysis, and with these steps, we'll make a strategy. That will be our last part, and that's how we have structured this analysis video, and we'll conclude our session. Yes, so are you all ready, guys? Yes, if you are ready, just type yes in the comment box. Yes, right? So let's go and check out what is happening in Nifty. So this is the chart of Nifty, and I'm a CPR trader. Yes, I'm trading Nifty only by looking at the CPR. If you look at the Nifty here, last week, if you see, this is your weekly candle. Yes, अगर हम weekly candle देखें निफ्टी की, तो weekly में अच्छी तेजी आई, and it is a good candle. It is a green candle after a consolidated week. So last week was up, and then last week was red, and this week was green. So this is how is Nifty. Steadily, if you look at it, it is moving up and up and up. अब अगर हम यहाँ पे एक फिब एक्सटेंशन ड्रॉ करें, right, from the bottom to the top, and if we draw it here, the next target is coming around 17,400. But the question here is, will it go up directly from here, or will it move up maybe after some time? That time will tell us. But yes, it has a room to move up towards 17,410. That sort of zone is possible. Maybe not in 2021, but yes, उस तरीके का vision रख के we should be approaching the Indian stock market. Now, if you look at the overall structure, एक जो हाई बनाया था निफ्टी ने, दिस वाज द हाई व्हिच निफ्टी हैज मेड, और इस हाई को अगर हम 60 मिनट में देखें तो प्राइस अप्रोच्ड दिस हाई हियर, got rejected. This is the second time when price again reached here and it got rejected on the Friday. तो फ्राइडे को इसी सेम जोन से प्राइस में रिजेक्शन आया है. Now I think the way Nifty is consolidating into this zone, if you look at the price action purely, not at the news, मेरे हिसाब से जिस तरीके से निफ्टी कंसोलिडेट हुई है इस अपर टेरिटरी में, एंड इफ यू लुक एट द सिंगापुर निफ्टी राइट नाउ इट इज 96 पॉइंट्स अप. तो हालांकि ये डेटा भी मंडे तक जाके एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. वी मे ओपन अप 50-60 पॉइंट्स और वी मे ओपन फ्लैट एज वेल. यस, तो ये डेटा एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. बट इफ इन केस इट ओपन्स अराउंड 16,800, I think why it is opening above this, if it opens, क्योंकि this is not a kind of rejection we should be getting here. अगर प्राइस का रिजेक्शन आना भी था इस जोन से तो it should have rejected immediately after touching it. पर जब कोई लेवल होल्ड हो जाता है, that means the kind of rejection which is expected into this zone hasn't come yet. तो मेरे हिसाब से if you look purely at the price action, this is a kind of formation जहाँ से continuation ज्यादा expected है and we may cross it on Monday. So if you ask me, we may move up from here, that's quite possible. यहाँ से अगर रिजेक्शन आता, इमीडिएट रिएक्शन आता, देन हम कह सकते थे कि ये वापस नीचे जो है इसकी लोअर बाउंड्री में जाके और वहां पे sideways कर सकता है. But the way it consolidated, this was your upper boundary. So the way it consolidated in the upper territory, it means it has a different plan and it may move up before it comes down. तो मेरे हिसाब से निफ्टी अभी यहाँ से थोड़ा ऊपर और जा सकती है, बिल्कुल जा सकती है. मे बी 16,800, 16,900, ये जो नई लेग इसमें शुरू हुई है, दिस इज द न्यू लेग विच स्टार्टेड इन निफ्टी. नाउ इफ आई ड्रॉ अ रिट्रेसमेंट, दिस वाज 1, दिस वाज 2 एंड दिस वाज द करेक्शन पार्ट. और ये जो करेक्शन हुई थी, अगर हम यहाँ पे रिट्रेसमेंट लगाएं तो दिस वाज ऑलमोस्ट 38.2% करेक्शन और वहां से भागा है प्राइस. तो मेरे हिसाब से 16,773 और उसके ऊपर जाते तो 16,900. सो 16,800 to 900 इज अगेन अ जोन जहां पे निफ्टी एक बार अगले हफ्ते जा सकती है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट जोन एंड पोस्ट दैट इट मे कम डाउन. That's another thing, but right now we are looking for this setup. Now as long as this low remains intact, जो फ्राइडे के दिन में जो शॉर्ट कवरिंग आई है, ये लो निफ्टी के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है. जब तक निफ्टी 16565 को होल्ड करके रखती है, आई थिंक इट हैज अ लॉन्ग वे टू मूव अप. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से कुछ निफ्टी ऊपर गई है. So this is your trailing stop loss for all the long positions. This is at 16565 और इसको होल्ड करते हुए it may move towards 16,800 to 16,900 next week. पलटेगी कहां से निफ्टी? The reversal will come if it breaks 161,565 and it moves lower. तो अगर इस लेवल के नीचे डिसाइसिव ब्रेकडाउन आता है, then it may further fall from here और उसके बाद हम 16,400 और इस बार अगर नीचे जाते हैं तो 16,300. इट मींस अगर लेवल ब्रेक होता है तो 200 पॉइंट का डाउन साइड आ सकता है और अगर लेवल होल्ड होता है तो यहाँ से 200 पॉइंट की अपसाइड नेक्स्ट वीक एक्सपेक्टेड है. इज दिस क्लियर टिल नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू? यस और नो? प्लीज कमेंट. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द बैंक निफ्टी, व्हाई I am more interested in Bank Nifty. I mentioned this point into last video as well. Into Bank Nifty, if you see, this has just started. ये जो पॉइंट है निफ्टी बैंक का, ये इसका रिवर्सल पॉइंट था, एंड आफ्टर दिस इट इज अगेन अ कंसोलिडेशन पार्ट. सो हाउ इट इज राइट नाउ, दिस इज योर रिवर्सल पॉइंट, ठीक है, and then here this is your consolidation. Now the doubt is that whether it will continue to move up or it will reverse, okay, but the benefit of doubt will give on the buy side because so far this low is intact, ठीक है ना. तो निफ्टी बैंक में we are long, yes, and we are maintaining a stop loss of 35,050. This is a zone. If it remains intact, it should move up and should cross 36,251. तो अगर ये लेवल इंटैक्ट रहता है, राइट फ्रॉम 35,600 वहां से ऊपर 36,200, 250, 300 आराम से जा सकती है. एंड इफ इट कंटिन्यूज टू मूव अप दिस टाइम, इट मे गो अप टुवर्ड्स लाइक 37,000, 37,500. तो अगर ये वो मूव है जो इस हाई को काटने वाली है, तो उस केस में फिर निफ्टी भी 16,900 आराम से जाएगी. फिर दोनों में प्रॉफिट बुकिंग लंबी चौड़ी आएगी, उसकी हम बात बाद में करेंगे. लेकिन अगर ये यहाँ पे निकलता है बैंक निफ्टी, तो वो निफ्टी को भी ऊपर ले जाएगा और फिर वो 16,900 की टेरिटरी में बिल्कुल आराम से पहुंच सकती है. So this is how is your Nifty, and where your view will change in Nifty Bank only if you get a close below 35,050. तो इस लेवल के नीचे अगर निफ्टी बैंक क्लोज हो जाती है, then it will come down and it can test 34,100. तो 1000 पॉइंट या तो गिरेगी या 1000 पॉइंट की इसमें यहाँ से मूव आ सकती है. Now with this, let's move back here to our strategy sheet, to our mind map, and let's edit this. We are making a plan now for from today's 28th, so we are making it from 30th August to 3rd September, yeah, next week के लिए. So this is your strategy sheet, yeah. Now let's go to the psychology part. Now let's come again to the chart, to candles, and see what is the psychology into this zone. Yeah, tell me what kind of psychology is here. Here into Nifty, people are looking for a buying here somewhere because people started believing that this market is not coming down, and somewhere it has found support, it has broken 16,000, and maybe it is ready for 17,000. So this is a price point where everybody is interested on the long side because the psychology of others are somewhere turning on the long side now. तो अगर हम साइकोलॉजिकल पार्ट देखें बाजार में मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स का, सो पीपल आर लॉन्ग. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाई टू एंड हाउ टू यूज दिस, बट पीपल आर पॉजिटिव, यू कैन से पॉजिटिव अबाउट मार्केट. वो जो केस है 1 तारीख का, वो अलग बात है, ठीक है, सेबी क्या करती है, बट whatever will happen, that will happen in the favor of market and in the favor of traders. So we don't need to put so much attention, so much stress on that. So far what is important for us, people are positive about market, ठीक है, ये एक पहली बात हो गई. So these are the areas जहां से long term reversal आ सकता है, but that doesn't mean कि तुरंत ही आना चाहिए. Why people are losing money? Because they think, okay, just because you don't feel comfortable with this up move, you are shorting it. But can we trade our comfort? No. Even though we know well about the economy, and most of the time what I have seen, जब भी लोगों का परसेप्शन बहुत अच्छा होता है, जब भी लोगों को लॉजिकली एकदम सही कंटेंट होता है लोगों के पास, those are the events when most of the people go wrong. Most of the bearish events, they go wrong if people are finding it almost perfect. Let me give you an example here. Yes, How many of you remember Brexit? Yes, all the old subscriber and traders who are trading since long, they must be remembering the Brexit event. And it was almost very logical कि अगर डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प हारते हैं तो ऊपर जाएगा बाजार, और अगर वो जीतते हैं तो बाजार नीचे जाएगी because of so many reasons. But what happened? Mr. Trump got elected and market just went skyrocket. So, and that was also a perfectly logical bearish overview about the market. Now, what happened in 2020 after the pandemic crash? It was almost logical that this market shouldn't move up, but that perfect bearish logical logic that went wrong, and it went up. So it is we cannot trade the events. We cannot trade your opinion or someone else's opinion. हम किसी का ओपिनियन, किसी का परसेप्शन, किसी की सोच को ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are trading the price. So our primary focus should be to understand the price rather than concentrating on what others are thinking, how solid they can represent their thinking in terms of logic, in terms of opinion and all that. That doesn't matter. As a trader, you need to have that kind of clarity in the mind. What you have to do being here. We all are traders. We are not from business channels. We are not from newspapers. We are not from article writing. Because there you can do all this stuff. यहाँ पे जब आपको ट्रेडर बनना है, you need to listen to the price. What I have to do is only to do with the price. So I cannot trade news. I cannot trade opinions. I cannot trade any perception. Only what I can trade and I make money from trading is price, and understanding the price action, which is price movement at a certain place in a certain manner, that will give me money, and that is my primary focus. But if you ask me, last week I made 2.5 lakh rupees just from Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. That is because I was only focused about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes, it's important that you look at the news. पर न्यूज को देखने का मतलब न्यूज का ज्ञाता बनना नहीं है. न्यूज को देखने का मतलब है to understand the psychology of the other participants, that's what's going on. And then by understanding them, the second step is to implement, to understand that, and then use it for your own trading. Got the logic, all of you guys here? So these are the things you need to understand and you need to have clarity about. So right now, when most of the people, they go bullish in the market, is the case when either it is excitement or either it is euphoria. तो वो जो मार्केट साइकिल है उसके हम एक्साइटमेंट से यूफोरिया के बीच में हैं, और ऐसे लोकेशंस पे जनरली मार्केट में टर्न अराउंड्स आते हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट इट शुड कम इमीडिएटली. Now, how many of traders, if you remember, they expected market to fall from 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, and now we are reaching 17,000. So where market will reverse from, let the market decide. Yes, what we have to do till then is we have to follow the price till then. हमने उस पॉइंट तक प्राइस को फॉलो करना है टू मेक मनी. मार्केट को कब रिवर्स होना है, नहीं होना है, वो मार्केट ही डिसाइड करेगी. वी आर नो वन टू टेल. So it's good that we remain focused to our things, to our minimum tools that we use as a trader, and keep the trading very, very simple. Don't make it complicated. Two things I teach to my students. One is be simple, and second is be a minimal. हमें simplify करना है. We are simple, our trading is simple. And the second thing is we are minimal. कम से कम जितनी tools हो उतना use करना है. Nothing extra. Let's declutter our own system. Let's declutter what is extra. And that will bring so much peace in your trading, and your trading results will get optimized. Got it? Okay, so let's go back now again to the mind map, and now we'll discuss about the risk management. 1 to 2%. When we are reaching the highest boundary, I think 1% is good to have. Okay. In case of breakout, we are not expecting a breakout, so 100% quantity in case of reversal this time. Because reversal, let's write it around 16,900. Sounds good? Yes, global markets were sideways to positive last week. This week, for the upcoming week, let's go back to the global markets and look at them. Dow Jones up, एक red candle again followed by a green color candle. Nikkei went lower, but now trying to revive from the bottom. Bovespa is all up. Yes. If you see, this is where the bottom has been formed, according to me. And I think Bovespa should continue to move up in the upcoming weeks and months. ठीक है? Now US करेंसी इंडेक्स अगर हम देखें गिरना शुरू हो गई है. हमने गोल्ड सिल्वर में देखा तेजी आई है इसकी वजह से. S&P 500 stellar performance. It's been always a steady move since after 2020 crash. Gold, you see a great 1.5% up move. Or silver, it was a great move on silver. I think silver has made a bottom and it can move up now from here. So silver or gold are positive. Global markets are all positive, even not sideways. Nasdaq is up, and this is crude oil, which is again up. So if we come back to our mind map, global markets, I'll keep them positive for the next week. Fine. Commodities, how is gold? Gold, the way gold is moving, it is all positive. So gold is bullish. Let's look at bullish. Yes, silver. Yes, we just analyze how is silver. Yeah, it is again bullish. Metals, we have not metals and NG. Let's go back and check out metals. So for metals, the main metal is our copper. Let's look at copper. Copper went up. Copper का यहाँ पे bottom बन गया है और copper ऊपर जा रही. So copper is positive. Let's look at nickel. Let's look at nickel future. Nickel is down somewhere. I think nickel is down, and this I have told you into last session as well. अगर nickel 1400 को इस बार तोड़ती है तो 1345 रुपए, ये जो पहले का टॉप बना है इस टॉप तक आ सकती है और ये कंसाइडिंग लेवल भी है. So easily it can come down to 1345. Let's look at lead. So this is lead future. Lead future is all sideways. Let's look at alum. This is aluminium. Aluminium is up. It has hit all-time high now. Yes, aluminium is positive. And zinc. Let's look at zinc. Zinc again is positive to sideways. So metals mainly are positive to sideways except nickel. Yes. So bullish, and we accept nickel this time, right? And let's come across crude and NG. So crude was moving up, we checked, and let's look at natural gas. NG देख लेते हैं. Natural gas went up yesterday, yes, and it is again up. So crude and NG both are up. So crude and NG, they are bullish for the next week. Fine. Now, our strategy, upside target is this was our upside target, which is reached, which is done. Now we are keeping it around 16,700. This is 16,800 to 16,900 for next week. Bank Nifty का जो expected upside है, that is around 36,250 to 36,450. Yes, buy on dips in Nifty and sell the reversal. Sell the reversal from highs. Both are okay trades. Fine. So this is your, as far as strategy sheet is concerned, this is how is your strategy sheet. We have done a 5-step process. We analyzed the psychology, then went to the risk management, global market, commodity analysis, and then is our strategy part. So this is how we have made it. Yeah. Okay. So with this, we are now ready for the next week, right? Yes. So how many of you found it useful? Yes, just type useful in the comment box. So guys, one thing which I want to tell you all is that I'm going to organize a webinar on Wednesday. Yes, so let me just share that with you. I'm organizing a webinar on 1st of September, Wednesday, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on how to make a lakh of rupees per month from Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. So आप में से जिन्होंने भी अभी तक रजिस्टर नहीं किया है, प्लीज साइन अप. इट्स अ फ्री वेबिनार. You learn lot of things, and I'll be sharing the 5 secrets of the Indian stock market. Yes, which every trader should know, but nobody knows really. So free webinar hai, and please don't forget to attend the webinar. Yes, so links are given below. Please register for this free webinar. Yeah. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, guys. Yes, for watching us. And if you found the video useful, if you found the concepts helping you in your trading, please don't forget to comment, to share with your friends, and to subscribe our channel. अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.